Hey. I just had to do that. I was thinking about that. Hi, you guys. It is Cecilia, your engineer by education, home business owner by desire. And today I want to talk about the reason why no one is drinking your Kool-Aid. Right. You understand what that means? Nobody's drinking your Kool-Aid, which translates in they're not listening to you, they're not joining with you, they're not buying from you. And I want to share with you some of the reasons why this is happening to you in your business. All right, I just want to make sure you can hear me okay. If you can and you jump on here with me live, let me know that you can hear and see me. All right, and everything is coming through loud and clear. If you are unfamiliar with me, my name is Cecilia Morris, and I go by the tagline, I'm your engineer by education and your home business owner by desire. And I help entrepreneurs, network marketers, affiliate marketers, use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online. All right, you can hear me. That's always good. So let me turn me down so I don't hear myself in stereo. All righty, and then I'm going to share this in a couple of places, and we'll go ahead and get started. So if you have any ideas, I put 3 up there, the wrong message, the wrong people, and nobody knows about you. Those are critical in order to be able to build your brand and your business using digital marketing strategies. So before I get into that, I got a little information that I want to share with you. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am hosting a webinar. But the only way you can get access to that webinar, I'm ready to post it here, right here, and I will pin it to the top. Let's see. Nope, that's not the one I wanted. Control Z. All right, let me find the link. I'll post it here because the only way you will be able to access this webinar is to go to my public group, Online Business Success Partners. That is the only place where I'm going to broadcast this video. It is not going to be on this page. It is not going to be on my personal page. It is, I always forget to share to my personal page. Why is that? Crazy, right? It's not going to be on my personal page. It's only going to be in the group where I will share with you how you can build your email list and your business online. What I'm going to share with you works for both brick and mortar as well as online businesses. I tell you, this thing sometimes called Facebook gets me all discombobulated. But yeah, so in this training, you're going to find out how to build your email list and your business online. I'm going to show you online how to create a lead magnet. I'm going to go through the different types of lead magnets that are available to you to post. I am going to show you how to create a capture page using free software. So if you've heard of GetResponse or Aweber or any of the others that are out there that cost, but you don't have the budget, I'm going to show you some free software you can use to do that. And I'm going to show you how you can get paid from the capture page that I'm going to show you how to build live and in person tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is Thursday, October 4th. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about how to get the message out. So if anything of what I said sounds like something that you need for your business, then I encourage you to register to be in my group to get this training, because that's the only place you're going to find it. And in this group, let me post this link now. I'm going to leave it up until Sunday at midnight. So right before 12:01 Monday, it's coming down. So if you want to get to be a part of that, then I'm going to need you to go ahead and click the link that I just pinned to the comments so that way you can join. Okay. If you're watching me for the first time, give me a 5. So that way I know you're a first timer. If you watched me before, give me a wave or a fist bump. And if you get value, please like, comment, and share with those that you know that are trying to build their online empire who could use this information as well. All right, so now that we've got, hashtag replay. If you catch the replay, give me a hashtag replay. I always go back to my comments and acknowledge those who took the time to acknowledge me. All right, so let's talk about the reason why nobody's drinking your Kool-Aid. So have you ever been to a pitch-in, a barbecue, or a family event, and there's always that one dish that nobody's touching? And the reason why is for multiple reasons, I'm sure, but nobody's touching it. I mean, they bought it, they did it in good faith, maybe, sometimes, you never know, right? Especially for those work events, but that's neither here nor there. But nobody's touching it. And is that how you feel in your business? Like nobody's touching your dish. They're just not interested in tasting it, seeing what it's about. The reason why in 3 simple steps is, first of all, you might have the wrong message. Let me tell you about some of the wrong messages. Always talking about your business online. Nobody wants to hear that. It's old, it's tired, and it shows that you don't have anything else to talk about. So that's number 1. And then when you message people, like I got a message from a guy today, and these friend requests are really starting to get on my nerves, to be quite honest. I got a friend request from somebody today, and as I do with all friend requests from strangers, because you don't know me from a can of paint, I responded back saying, thank you for connecting. Please feel free to like and follow my page if you feel so inclined. That's it. If you don't feel inclined, don't do it. You're not my friend anyway, so it's not like I'm going to miss you. But then they responded back with, hey, I got this great opportunity with this new business to start on the ground floor. Let me know if you'd be interested. What in the world is that foolishness? Total wrong message. All right, and there's more examples that I could give you of similar wrong messages, but at the bottom line, the end of the day, I guess it's just my shadow. At the end of the day, your message needs to be something that will resonate with your target audience, which brings me to number 2, the wrong people. So if you remember from a video I did a couple of weeks ago, I was telling you about this guy who messaged me and he said he wanted my help, and he was telling me I got this amazing product. Everybody over 30 needs it. It's worldwide. And the reason why everybody over 30 needs it is because they lose a certain hormone after age of 30. So everybody is my customer because we all lose this hormone. Okay. Really? No, not everybody is his customer. His customer has to be someone that is over 30, that understands the importance of this hormone, understands how it is a benefit to their health to have this hormone, and wants to invest $150 to $500 to get started. That's not everybody over 30, okay? I remember when I was 30, I was in Cancun, Mexico. So if he'd have pitched that to me at 30, I'd be like, if you don't go jump in a lake somewhere. So that's number 2. The reason why people are not drinking your Kool-Aid is because they're not your people. They're not interested in nothing you have to say and nothing you have to offer. So you got to get your message to the right people if you are serious about getting people to drink your Kool-Aid. And then last but not least in this little list that I prepared is nobody knows about you. They don't know you. Why? Because you are not advertising. So if you're just posting in Facebook groups, hey, learn how to make $500 a day, or hey, I just made $125 with this new program, or hey, use your cell phone to start your own business, that kind of stuff, nobody's going to get to know you from that. Share your story. Like one of my AT partners, one of her stories is she talks about how she walked away from teaching. She has a number of reasons, but not only does she share why she walked away from teaching, she also shares what she's doing in place of teaching and how it is making her money and earning her an income online. People will resonate more to your story and what it is that you have that makes you an expert and authority, and what it is that you are trying to tell them about, i.e. drink your Kool-Aid, then they will with all these posts about how much money they made, how much money you can make, how great their product is. Nobody's trying to hear all that. And the sooner you realize that, the better off you will be. That's it, and that's all. It's a simple equation, people. You want to get the right message to the right people, and you want to make sure that people know about you. And the easiest way to make sure people know about you outside of posting in groups, because once again, we're running a business, is you're going to have to advertise. But you want to advertise the right way. And that all goes into targeting and making sure that the advertising that you do via Facebook, Google AdSense, whatever, you are targeting the right people. So you need to have a budget so that way people get to know about you. It's like putting a store in a cornfield. If you're in the middle of a cornfield, nobody's going to know you're there, so nobody's going to buy from you. Simple as that. So those are the 3 reasons why nobody is drinking your Kool-Aid. And if you want to know how to get people to start drinking your Kool-Aid, click the link that I put in the comments, so that way you can be on my live training tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, October 4th, where I'm going to go through live what lead magnets are, how to build them, how to create them. We're going to build a capture page. I'm going to show you how to monetize that capture page. And then I'm going to show you how to get the word out. But you're only going to get it by clicking the link in the comments, so that way you can be in my public group. It's not a private group, it's a public group, but you have to be in the group in order to get this training. So that way people will start drinking your Kool-Aid. So I hope this made sense to you. I hope you understand the wrong message to the wrong people, and nobody knowing you will never get your business off the ground. You got to get the right message to the right people and make sure people know about you to make your business build and grow. I am Cecilia, your engineer by education, home business owner by desire. Once again, click the link in the comments to join me for my live training tomorrow. And it's best for you to attend live if you can, because I'll also be able to answer your questions in real time as well. All right, that's it for today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, comment, and share if you got value from this training. Click the link to be on the training tomorrow, live, 8 p.m., Thursday, October 4th, Eastern Standard Time.